How many kinds of turret for choice? 3 choice for often use. Hydraulic tailstock. Number 1. Work moving by hand. Firstly, loosen the screws, then align the pins. After alignment, use a rocker to control the forward movement of the Z-axis. After reaching the desired location, loosen the latch, then tighten the screws. Attention please, the front and the rear screws must be tightened at the same time. Hydraulic can be controlled by the system. Make the coil move. Number 2. Linear wheel tailstock. The linear wheel tailstock can be moved automatically by the 4th axis button on the panel. Number 3. Programmable linear wheel tailstock. Programmable linear wheel tailstock can be moved automatically by the 4th axis button on the panel. Enter the servo tailstock interface through the main menu. Then, by setting the parameters, allows the tailstock to move directly as programmed.